Hello, in this session we will give you an overview of the challenges we see in the mobility industry and how Fujitsu can help address these challenges. Tobias.
We are in the midst of a massive change. The COVID pandemic has affected every one of us adversely without any exception. Industries and companies have also borne the brunt. Along with the changing dynamics of the industry in general, mobility or automotive as a sector is under pressure. While achieving climate goals requires huge investments, the move to electric cars, connected car and autonomous driving must be pushed further to achieve these goals. In addition, the business models need a constant overhaul to remain relevant. What does it mean for our cities? In the cities, we are seeing radical changes to public traffic and transportation. Thanks to the pandemic, we are in a crazy situation today. While we are seeing more taxes and fees or even bans on private vehicles, we are also aware that people are avoiding public transport due to the fear of getting infected. All of the above-mentioned challenges, individual, public and the industries, are closely interlinked and mutually dependent on each other. While the mobility world is striving to be connected, there is a data deluge across participants in the value chain. In an ideal world, we should capitalize on this data gathered across the value chain by enabling a holistic and secure view of the data. New agile service-oriented big data platforms are your cornerstone to this ideal world. These platforms help link multiple data sources in real time, making them visible and available across the value chain. Our main goal is to maximize value of data that is generated across value chains. In this journey of maximizing the value of data, the single biggest challenge that companies are facing is processing very large data sets dynamically, making it usable in real time. Fujitsu's vision as a global leader is to provide new platforms that enable data-driven transformation and be a mobility service accelerator. We make it possible to use mobility data dynamically and in any desired form. Our solutions, Vehicle DX, Mobility DX and Urban DX, are envisioned to help our effort to making vehicles autonomous and safe. With these solutions, we help customers to adapt new functionalities and adapt to changing market realities extremely fast while contributing to the environment and safer traffic.
Very interesting. Now, Tobias, what do you see as the main challenges for the mobility industry in this data-to-value journey?
So the main challenge is not collecting these data, as I mentioned before. The main challenge is to utilize and process these data. There's nothing more important than data today. To be honest, we derive value from a very minute percentage of all the data we collect. Today's connected car is a data warehouse in a way with amount and types of data it generates. For instance, position information, data from the CAN bus, which is the central data bus in the car, sensors data, and the biggest of all, image and video data. From analyzing data is a novel way to capture what is happening to the environment outside of the car. Fujitsu is striving to combine many data sources to make it available for various types of new services. You would be ahead of the curve with knowledge of how customers use your products and how products can be further improved. In your ideal world, you develop new features and products much faster before your competition does. All this while continuing to identify and eliminate weaknesses on shop floor across the ecosystems to improve your world. Let us watch a video about our new mobility solution.
コネクテッドカーが当たり前になる未来。動くセンサーとして機能する車からは大量のビッグデータが集まります。富士通のモビリティデジタルツインは刻々と変化し続ける実世界のあらゆる情報をデジタル世界上にリアルタイムに再現、分析、予測することでより安全で快適な新しいモビリティ社会を実現します。 富士通のモビリティデジタルツインは5つのステップで進化します。ステップ1、1台の車が走っています。走った位置と軌跡がデジタル世界で再現されています。ステップ2、富士通の画像軽量化、オンデマンドデータ収集、画像認識技術により、今まで車にあった画像データをセンターに集めることができるようになり、デジタル世界上に車の周りにある道路や事故情報が再現されました。さらに標識や信号も追加されます。ステップ3、富士通のビジュアルスラム技術を使うと情報が立体化され、3次元で正確な位置を再現できるようになります。ステップ4、1000万台を超える車から集まったビッグデータを同時に処理することができるストリームデータ処理技術ドラセナにより、あらゆる場所で発生している実世界の出来事を同時に広域で再現できるようになります。ステップ5、ドラセナ上で予測技術、統計分析技術を使うと、現在だけでなく過去の出来事と比較したり、未来を予測することもできるようになり、実世界を超えたデジタル世界を実現することができます。このように動くものや街の変化などを忠実にデジタル世界に再現することで、富士通モビリティデジタルツインをさまざまなサービスへ活用することができます。では、未来のモビリティ社会に何がもたらされるのでしょうか。自動車保険業務のスピード化、効率化、事故現場をデジタル世界に再現することで精度の高い自己解析ができるようになります。それにより自動車保険サービス業務の効率化やスピードアップが期待できます。ダイナミック情報提供サービス、個人の思考に合わせた情報や混雑、流行、値段など実世界で刻々と変化する情報をタイムリーに地図上に提供することができるようになります。このように走るセンサーである車から集めたビッグデータを使ったサービスはどんどん広がっていきます。サービスを生み出すためにはトライアンドエラーできる仕組みが必要になってきます。富士通モビリティデジタルツインは業種を超えたコークリエーションを促し、新しいモビリティサービスのイノベーションを起こしやすくするのです。富士通モビリティデジタルツインはこれからのモビリティ社会をより早く、柔軟に、イノベーティブに実現していきます。
As an example, Fujitsu's digital twin analyzer analyzes image and video data extremely fast in particular ways. With AI image recognition, we can recognize and classify many different objects. For instance, all necessary information on the street about people, cars, trucks, traffic signs, or traffic lights. The second example is processing video data using our visual SLAM technology, which means simultaneous localization and mapping. This enables the digital twin analyzer to determine the exact location of the vehicle with very high precision. With this, we are able to build a map of an unknown environment using the video data. This helps us to comprehensively analyze the situation outside of the car. As an outcome of this, we are able to predict the expected paths of moving objects, potential hazards, or other traffic situations. I started my presentation by talking about the large amounts of data we have to classify, analyze, and process. In certain cases, it is necessary to let the collected data of the real world interact with virtual objects to create some kind of mixed reality. For this purpose, we have developed the digital twin utilizer. It is based on our unique stream processing architecture, which can process large-scale data in milliseconds. We call this large-scale distributed stream processing. This is an extremely efficient big data management tool which enables customers to analyze the dynamically changing data of the real world. This platform is dynamically extensible so that new analyzers and algorithms can be implemented easily and without any interruptions.
Sounds like a very fascinating platform now.
It is.
How and where will these technologies be used in the future?
Yeah, in a moment we are starting in development autonomous driving, autonomous cars. So we can perfectly analyze the results of test vehicles to see if the vehicle system operates as expected on the road. So on the next slide I will explain some more examples. The potential for these technologies is very high, especially for cross-industry application scenarios. So for instance, insurance or transport companies. Insurance companies get to understand the causes of a traffic accident in a totally new way. This helps them in optimizing their bottom line and avoiding future accidents. Transport companies use our digital twin technology to optimize their routes even better. We realized that to develop these new cross-industry solutions, we need to collaborate, not only with our customers, but also with innovative startups. Market and value creation are the core building blocks of our new go-to-market model. We will jointly developing and marketing industry solutions with customers in their markets. Nowadays, startups are working closely with automotive customers around the world to develop and refine various AI models based on automobile data. By combining Fujitsu's strengths in big data analysis and the highly competitive startup AI models, we will jointly provide more valuable solutions to our customers.
So it's all about collaboration. Have you already, as Fujitsu, started working with the startups?
Yes, on a global level, already with a company which is named Automotive in the US and Upstream in Israel. So Automotive, this platform enables other mobility companies to bring new services to the market very easily and quickly. Scope of the global cooperation is to build more mobile services offerings based on the TMC for building solutions for different industries. Upstream is a leading provider of new solutions in the field of Vehicle Security Operations Center. So Upstream's portfolio is part of our automotive platform, and we have established global delivery centers to deliver security operations across the globe to our customers.
Thank you for these very inspiring insights, Tobias. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.